You may be asking, how are ant colonies formed? Well, it's very interesting, and it begins with one thing, a queen ant. Queen ant is a winged ant that flies in the summer during a nuptial flight. So what happens is, a queen ant, right? The queen ant breaks her wings off, then looks somewhere to dig, there's digging, then it enters the hole, goes in and out, putting dirt in and out, then after a while, you'll have a nest. Next, the queen will lay eggs after a couple weeks, and then the colony goes from there. So she'll lay eggs, right? And eggs become larvae, which become cocoons or pupae depending on the species. So in the time, the queen will feed the larvae and clean them to prevent molding. And after a while, you'll have workers. From there, the worker would expand the nest and keep making tunnels. They also would care for the brood and forage for food. And so worker ants, they will leave after a couple weeks. Like the first week, they'll leave because the queens now need more food because they run out of food stores. So the ant's gonna go, over there, So ants will eat anything with protein, carbohydrates, or sugars. Also, ants can lift double their body size, or I think 8 times. So the ant will bring sometimes a whole bug home. Sometimes, when ants are eating, they have 2 stomachs, so the social stomach, which is for feeding other ants and brood, can expand a lot. This is different for honeypot ants, where they grow double the size of this one here. Also, if you've ever been walking randomly at a park or something, and you just see a huge bunch of ants, sometimes the same color, sometimes different colors, they're actually not collecting food. There's actually an ant war. When ants detect another ant, they'll report back to the colony using pheromones and yell, "Oh my god, there's an enemy ant, attack it now." And a bunch of ants will swarm from each colony and a war begins. These wars can last a couple hours, sometimes days. But, and every single time you saw one, it went, yeah, that's a reasonable answer because they're having a whole war while they're just, stepping on them and stuff, Anyways, that's a secret life of ants right there.